Okay, timing the timing belt on a 2.7 Audi engine. You need to have this bar and the big dowel pins go in the middle. The small ones on the outside. There's a G on the crank. That should be to the left, about right here. I usually mark it so you can kind of get it back in the same spot. Otherwise you have to put the bolt pin in it, which is up underneath here in a, can't really see it. But anyway, it's behind the AC pump back there. I don't know if you'll be able to, there's a little, right there, see that little spot right there? You pull that plug out and put it in there. Okay, when installing the belt, make sure that the belt is on the outside of the pulley. Otherwise, it'll wear a hole right here and down here. You can see on this one, see where it rubbed? Yep, there. And there's a big hole in it. That's no good. And you need to make sure the G goes down a little bit and pull the slack out of this side and tighten it up. And then you pull the slack out of this side, see it's kind of loose in here. And then you can put the tension on it from right here. See how it tightened it up, tighten the belt up. Okay, installing the belt tensioner. There's a pin right here. It's on the right hand side. So when you install it, it needs to make sure that you get that in there. Maybe. There it goes. Okay, this idler for the fan will probably trip you up a little bit. It does have 4 bolts in it. There's 2 here. And if you turn this, you can see one more in there. You can kind of see where that's at. And then if you look up here, there's one more in this little itty bitty hole. See it in there? Right there. Okay, so when removing those 2 Allen wrench bolts, this one up here is a 5. And the bottom one is a 7. And it needs to be fairly long too. At least 2 inches or so. Engine block, beer opener,
my little guy, almost 3 feet up. Look at this guy today, dude. And it fucking said beep, 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 too high, too high.
What happened to the battery, bud?